Hello everyone, this is Grace. I would like to introduce our screen door air conditioner to you. As you can see, this model is 9,000 BTU. It's most hot sale model in African markets and Russian markets, also some European markets. We can make the different panel design for this model, and we can make the heating and cooling or cooling only. And for this model, we usually use the R32 and the R410 gas. And we got the CE/CP certificate for this model. Also for the Wi-Fi is optional for this model. So if you want to know more details, please contact Grace. Thank you. Bye bye.